Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys know it is prom season. I wanted to do a simple prom look. Some people like simple makeup, or they've never tried on makeup and they want to do something really simple for prom. If you guys want to see how to do the simple prom look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows. So my concealer is very light right now. So I'm going to use concealer as my eyeshadow base. But you guys might want to use an actual eyeshadow base for prom because you want it to last long. Most of the concealer is crease, so you're going to want to actually either use a concealer that lasts long or use an eyeshadow primer. But today, like, I'm not going anywhere, you guys, so I'm going to use concealer. So if you guys do use concealer, don't forget to set it very good, because you do not want it to crease. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I am going to take this shade right here. And I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush. Not very fluffy. So I'm going to take that shade. And this is going to be the transition shade. So I'm going to be going into the brown shades because I feel like a light brown can go with any prom dress, and honestly, like, this look can't go wrong, you know. So honestly, like, just blend lightly, be very light-handed, because that is how you will make it blend nicely. And if you want to like wing it out a little, that's fine. And you guys can do this like after you do your face makeup, but I personally recommend you to do it before you do your face makeup, just in case you get any fallout, or if you mess up, then you can just like take it off and then redo it without taking off your face makeup, without ruining your face makeup. So that is the transition shade. Now I'm going to go in with I think I'm going to go in with this brown shade right here. This one is not like a red tone, it's more like a brown, like a true brown. So I'm going to go in with that one, just a tiny bit, with the same brush. So you just pack it on a little bit, that way you don't mess up. Then you just press onto where you want it. Let's say you want it on the outer corner, just press onto that spot and then blend out. And blend in like circular motions, not too high up, but just right here in the outer corner. You guys see how it's like a little dimension? You just keep on putting more. So like this is fine. Okay, so that is probably enough. You can make it as dark as you want. I really want it dark right now, so that is why I'm going in with a lot. And I shouldn't be, because this is a natural makeup tutorial. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the shimmer. I'm going to take this shade, and it is called Obsessed. And it's like a pearl, purple, pinkish silver. So I'm just going to press it down as if I was doing a cut crease. You guys can wet the brush. I should wet the brush. Let me just take some Mario Badescu spray. If you're afraid to mess up, then just stamp it onto the eyelid. I guess it is a cut crease, but without concealer, because you don't need concealer to do a cut crease. Okay, so you guys can see this is a very nice look, you guys. And today, you guys, I am not going to do winged liner. I'm just going to line my eyelid. Don't forget the eyeliner, because, you know, it just looks better if you have eyeliner and the lash, so it won't just look like a lash, you know? So this is to show you guys that you don't need a winged liner. So now I'm gonna do the other eye, and then I'll come back for the lashes. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using the Dodo lashes. and this one is in the style D119. I'm going to be using the dual lash glue, and this is the clear one. I love the Dodo lashes, you guys. I do have a code with Dodo lashes, so use the code Girly Natalie for some money off. And you guys, these lashes are so pretty. And with this glue, I find that I have to put a second coat after it's tacky, just so it really like stays on. So that's a trick. If you are going to prom, you know, you need your lashes to stay on all night. So try that, and I'm pretty sure it'll work. I love those Dodo lashes. I got them sent to me a while ago. You guys should really check them out. They are, I think they're like $5 to $12, and they are bomb, you guys. I'll leave the link down below so you guys could go check them out. Curl your lashes and then do your mascara and then put on the lashes, just because you don't want to put on the lash and then your real lashes just like sticking straight, you know, like you want them to blend in. So you want to take a mirror. I'm taking this mirror. So you want to like tilt it a little bit so you can see it right, and then you're gonna take your lash. You can use tweezers. I don't use tweezers anymore. Also, don't forget to cut your lashes, you guys, because you don't want to have like really long lashes, because that's just gonna like bother your eye, you know. So make sure you cut them to your shape, and then you're going to like try to see where you want to place them, and then just put them down. So that is how I put on my lash. Okay, so don't forget to moisturize your face. So I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And honestly, if you don't wear primer, I would recommend using primer because it does make your makeup last longer. Well, some do, some don't do anything, but you don't want your makeup to slip off. So, you know, try to get some primer. I'm going to take the 24 Hour Stay Foundation by Maybelline. And I'm going to take the Real Technique sponge. This foundation, the only thing is that it does get very oily. I do have oily skin, so that's probably why. And you do want to blend it down to your neck. I honestly don't want to blend it down right now, but you should, because you're going to be taking pictures, and if it doesn't match you, it's not gonna look right. Oh, and I'm going to be taking this Maybelline concealer. This is a Fit Me concealer in shade Sand. And I'm going to take this one because honestly, it never fails me. Okay guys, I know I look crazy for this natural look, but honestly, your face needs to be highlighted. I did put a lot of concealer. I did put concealer on my mustache area because I feel like it's dark. But if you don't have that problem, you don't have to do that. What I've been doing is I've been taking a brush to go into my inner corner because I can't reach in those areas correctly. So I've been taking a brush. I have just been blending out this area because, you know, it's hard to reach in there. Okay, so then just make sure everything is nice and blended because we are going to set the face. So you want to bake your under eye so it looks very nice. Well, you don't have to, but if you want it to last long, I would. I'm going to be using the Airspun powder because it is the only one I have. This one, I don't know if it gives flashback. I've never had that problem, but I know a lot of people do have that problem. Especially James Charles. You know, flashback Mary. But you know, I've never had that problem. Maybe because I don't really take pictures. But I'm gonna show you guys how to make that problem more minimal with this powder. So I like to bake my nose because I am super oily, especially on my nose. So I have to bake my nose, you know. So anywhere you put concealer, set that. And you can't set your whole face, but I'm going to use a face powder because especially with this powder, you have to be careful because, you know, James Charles had very bad flashback all over his face because he set his whole face with that powder. So don't set it with that powder on your whole face. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. Can you guys tell I'm doing like an affordable makeup look? An affordable prom makeup look. That's what it is. Except the foundation primer, that was not affordable. I'm so sorry. I don't have any other ones to show you guys. Just a tiny little bit. I'm not contouring. I am just going to bronze my face. But make sure you blend that bronzer or contour. Blend it, please. Honestly, if you guys want like a natural look, just take whatever's left on the brush and then just go over your jawline. Same with your forehead, not too much. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix. You know where you have the bake? If you still have bake on there, just go over it with a foundation powder. Just like swipe away with the foundation powder. And this will help the flashback. In my opinion, I think it helps the flashback. And this will make it look so flawless, you guys. So make sure you do this step anywhere you put that powder. Okay, so now I'm going to take this big brush. And I'm going to set my whole face. Okay, so for blush, I am going to go in with this Milani Luminoso. Because I love that blush. So I'm just going to take a little bit. No, not too much. Very pretty blush, you guys. I really recommend. This is from Milani. Okay, and now it is time for highlight. And I'm taking the Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. And you know, you have to be glowing at prom, you guys. Yes, that's glowing, you guys. This is a drugstore highlighter, you guys. Like, what? It's better than some high-end highlighters out there. That's the real tea. Honestly, just put it everywhere. You want to be glowing, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lower lash eyeshadow. Transition shade first. Actually, I'm just gonna leave it at that shade. Just because it's a natural look, you know? Don't forget the mascara on your lower lashes. Okay, and don't forget to set your face. I don't see my setting spray, so I'm just going to use the Mario Badescu spray. It's probably not a setting spray, but I'm going to use it as a setting spray. And the final thing I'm going to do is lip gloss. I'm going to use lip gloss. You should probably use lipstick, a long-lasting lipstick. But, you know, I want to use lip gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I think that is it, you guys. I wish I had like a cute dress or something just for the video. So this is the finished look, you guys. But you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. And if you guys want to see a super duper glam look for prom, don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to give this video a like, and I will do that for you guys. And don't forget to go follow me on Instagram at girlynatalie. I don't know if I'm going to take pictures with this makeup, but if I do, you'll see it on there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love the look. I hope you guys love it too. I wish I could do prom makeup, and before I keep on talking, I'm going to end the video. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!